You learnt 4 sums in the last class. Now fifth one. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and second one rectangle BCDE whose perimeter is greater. In this figure, we should find out the perimeter of ABE and perimeter of BCDE. So first we should find out perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay, so here perimeter of a triangle means the sum of 3 sides, means in this figure AB plus BE plus AE. So perimeter of a triangle means first AB plus BE plus AE. Okay, then what is AB? AB is equal to 5 by 2 centimeter. Okay, then BE is equal to 3 by 4 centimeter plus then AE is equal to 3 by 5 centimeter. These are mixed fraction. First we should convert it as a improper fraction. So first 5 by 2 write as it is. You know that how to convert. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4 plus 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3 18 upon 5. So now denominator of different. We should take what LCM. 2 4 5 LCM. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are 5. Then 2 1s are 5 right as it is. Next 1 1 1. Then what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Means 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. LCM what? 20. Again write here 20. Okay. Then 2 2 CL. 2 10s are 20. Again 4 4 5s are 20. Again 5 4s are 20. Okay. Then 5 10s are 50. Then 11 5s are 55. Then 18 4s are 72. So now add 50 plus 55 plus 72 is equals to 177 divided by 20. Now convert it as a mixed fraction. How to convert? 177 divided by 20. Okay. So answer is 8 17 by 20 centimeter. B, C, D, E. Okay. So length is equal to 2 3 by 4 centimeter. Okay. Then breadth is equal to 7 by 6 centimeter. Now this you convert in proper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 11 by 4 centimeter. Then breadth is equal to 7 by 6 centimeter. Okay. You know the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B. Okay. Now 2 L means 11 by 4 plus breadth means 7 by 6. Okay. Now 4 and 6 take LCM. 4 6. Okay. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 3. Okay. 3 1s are LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 11 3s are 33 plus 7 2s are 14 by 12. Okay. Now 2 33 plus 14 is equal to 47 by 12. Okay. Now 2 into 47 by 12. 2 1s are 2 6 are. So 47 by 6. Convert it as a mixed fraction. Means 7 5 by 6 centimeter. Okay. Now perimeter of triangle ABE is equals to 8 17 by 20. Then perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 7 5 by 6. Which one big here? Perimeter of a triangle. triangle. So which one is bigger? Perimeter of triangle ABE greater than rectangle BCDE. Next one, Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture is trimmed? Okay. So how to solve this one? This is a one frame. Okay. Salila wants to put 3 by 5 wide picture in this frame. Okay. The picture is not more than 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay. So how to solve this one? The width of the picture is 3 by 5 centimeter. When next convert it as a mixed fraction. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38 by 5 centimeter. Then the required width of the frame is equal to 3 by 10. Means 70 plus 3, 73 by 10. Okay. Now the width of the picture to be trimmed off should take what? Minus. Okay. 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Okay. Now take 5 and 10 LCM. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Then 2 ones are. LCM is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Write 10 here. Then 5 twos are. Then 10 ones are. 38 twos are 76 minus 73 ones are 73. What was the answer? 3 by 10 centimeters. Ritu ate 3 by 5 of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had larger share? By how much? In this sum, okay, one full apple is there. So Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of this apple. Remaining part eaten by Somu. So how much Somu ate? Who ate more? Okay. Now, so part of apple eaten by Somu. Okay. 1 minus, how to take? 1 means full apple. So 3 by 5. Okay. So here no number means you can take what? 1. In 1 and 5 it is the LCM. 5 is the LCM. 1 5 is a 5 ones are. 1 5 is a 5. 3 ones are 3. Okay. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 by 5. Okay. So Somu how much ate? 3 by 5 part. Okay. So now since who? Ritu ate how much? Ritu ate 3 by 5. Somu ate 2 by 5. Which one big here? 3 by 5 big here. Means what? 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Means who ate more? Ritu ate more. By how much? How much means how to take? 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So 1 by 5 part of more.